You've got your bug-out bags, food storage, and a plan. So let's get you from 90% ready to 100%. This isn't for beginners. It's for those who want to make sure every base is covered when trouble's on the horizon. Remember, food and water first, always. Once those are solid, we'll fine-tune everything else. We're going through a systematic checklist so you're calm, not scrambling, when it matters. Let's dive in and top off your emergency supplies. First up, your fridge. When preparing for an emergency, your refrigerator is your first line of defense against hunger and stress. Think of it as your short-term food bank, ready to provide comfort and nutrition when you need it most. Before a storm or outage, take a few minutes to organize and stock it with foods that are easy to grab and require little or no preparation. In most emergencies, the power's only out for a day or two, so fill your fridge with fresh, ready-to-eat food. Think sandwiches, salads, cut fruits, hard-boiled eggs, and leftovers that can be eaten cold. Stock up on items like milk, juice, and snack packs for quick energy. These foods will help you maintain a sense of normalcy and keep everyone satisfied while you wait for the lights to come back on. This lets you eat well and delays dipping into your long-term supplies. By using up your perishable foods first, you make the most of what you have and avoid unnecessary waste. Plus, having familiar foods on hand can be a big morale booster, especially for kids or anyone feeling anxious about the situation. A full fridge keeps food cold longer and morale high. The more packed your fridge is, the better it will retain cold air, slowing down the warming process if the power goes out. Try to fill any empty spaces with bottles of water or extra containers to help maintain the temperature. And remember, sharing a meal together, even a simple one, can lift spirits and create a sense of togetherness during uncertain times. Next, the freezer. Pack it tight. Your freezer is your backup plan for longer outages. Fill it with a variety of frozen foods, meats, vegetables, bread, and even prepared meals that can be quickly reheated when power returns. The tighter you pack it, the longer everything will stay frozen. A full freezer stays cold for up to 72 hours if unopened. That's 3 days of preserved food, giving you valuable time to adjust and plan your next steps. Avoid opening the freezer unless absolutely necessary to keep the cold air trapped inside. Fill empty space with frozen water containers. They keep food frozen and give you extra drinking water as they thaw. This simple trick not only helps maintain the cold temperature, but also provides a backup water supply if needed. By maximizing your fridge and freezer space, you're not just preserving food. You're maximizing comfort, minimizing waste, and ensuring your family's well-being during any emergency. Let's step into the pantry, the heart of your home's food security. A well-organized pantry isn't just about convenience. It's about being prepared for anything from unexpected guests to emergencies that keep you indoors for days. Take a moment to look at your shelves. Are your essentials easy to find? Is everything within reach? A tidy pantry saves time and reduces stress, especially when you need to act quickly. Make it a habit to rotate your stock regularly. Use the first-in, first-out method. Place newer items behind older ones so nothing goes to waste. Check expiration dates as you go, and set aside anything that's close to expiring for meals in the coming days. This simple routine keeps your pantry fresh and your family safe. Don't forget to top off daily use items like snacks, coffee, and cereal. These familiar foods do more than fill your stomach. They bring comfort and a sense of normalcy, especially during stressful times. Sharing a favorite snack or a warm cup of coffee can lift spirits and help everyone feel at home, no matter what's happening outside. Take inventory at least once a week. Make a list of what's running low and restock before you run out. While you're at it, add a few comfort items, maybe a favorite treat or a special ingredient for a family recipe. These little extras can make a big difference in morale. And remember, your pets are part of the family too. Make sure you have at least a 2-week supply of their food, litter, and any medications they need. If your pet has special dietary needs, double-check that you have enough to last through any disruptions. Emergencies can be just as stressful for pets as they are for people. Keeping their routine steady, feeding them at the usual times, maintaining their favorite sleeping spots, helps them feel safe and secure. A calm pet makes for a calmer household. Add pet supplies to your high-priority shopping list right alongside your own essentials. It's easy to overlook these items until you're running low, so plan ahead and avoid last-minute scrambles. A fully stocked pantry and a well-supplied pet shelf don't just mean you're ready for anything. They bring peace of mind, comfort, and a sense of control, no matter what life throws your way. If you can, now's the time to preserve any fresh produce. Check jars, lids, pectin, and salt. A stocked canning station lets you turn perishables into shelf-stable food fast. Water is critical. Fill every container you have, from bottles to barrels. Use bathtub bladders if you have them. Aim for at least 1 gallon per person per day, but more is better for hygiene and cooking. Overkill is the goal. Water is life. Fill it all up. When the grid's down, cash is king. Get small bills, 1s, 5s, 10s, and stash them securely at home. Don't count on ATMs or card readers working. Next, power charge every large power bank to 100%. These keep your devices running and your lifeline to information open. Don't settle for half-charged. Treat every charge as critical. Plug in all your power banks now. Be ready for anything. Before a storm or emergency hits, make it a priority to charge every cell phone in the house. These devices are your main tools for receiving emergency alerts, staying updated with the latest information, and keeping in touch with loved ones. Gather all your phones in one place and plug them in, making sure each one is charging properly. If you have portable power banks, charge those too. They can be lifesavers if the power goes out for an extended period. Don't forget to check that everyone in the family knows where their phone is and that it's fully powered up. Even if cell networks go down or the internet becomes unreliable, your phone is still incredibly useful. It can serve as a flashlight to help you navigate in the dark, a camera to document damage or important information, and a hub for offline resources like downloaded emergency contacts, maps, and guides. Make sure you know how to access these features without needing a signal or Wi-Fi. In addition to phones, charge up any radios you have, walkie-talkies, two-way radios, or ham radios. These can be crucial for communication if cell towers fail or if you need to reach neighbors and emergency services. If you have a battery-powered or hand-crank emergency radio, make sure it's ready to go as well. Do a quick radio check to confirm everything is working. Test the batteries, make sure you know how to operate each device, and review any emergency channels or frequencies you might need. It's better to troubleshoot now than during an actual emergency. For kids and your own sanity, charge up tablets, handheld gaming devices, and e-readers. These can provide comfort, distraction, and even education during long hours without power. Preload them with guides, maps, and entertainment like games, movies, and books to keep everyone occupied and informed. Download movies, books, manuals, and maps for offline use. This way, you'll have access to important information and entertainment even if you lose internet access. Double-check that your downloads are complete and accessible without a connection. In a crisis, a fully charged device is more than just a convenience. It's a powerful tool that can help you stay safe, connected, and informed when it matters most. Take the time now to power up and prepare. Head to the garage. Charge every cordless tool battery you have. Organize them with their matching tools for quick access. Think ahead. What repairs might you need to make? For light, gather all rechargeable flashlights, headlamps, and lanterns. Charge them fully. Assign a headlamp to each family member and have area lanterns for rooms. Rechargeables save your disposable batteries for other gear. Light and tools mean safety and self-reliance. Inventory your disposable batteries. AA, AAA CD9V, and specialty types. Buy fresh packs and check expiration dates. Store them cool and dry, organized for quick grabs. For vehicles, keep your gas tank full, never below half. Fill extra fuel cans if you have them. When emergencies hit, gas stations run dry fast. A full tank means freedom and options. Check home fuel. Fill generator tanks propane and stock firewood or charcoal. Redundancy is key. Multiple fuel types mean more options for heat and cooking. For hygiene, stock up on toilet paper, paper towels, detergent, and baby wipes. Wipes are a lifesaver when water is limited. Get unscented bleach for disinfecting and emergency water purification. Don't wait until stores are empty. Cleanliness keeps you healthy and comfortable. Review your medicine cabinet. Restock pain relievers, allergy meds, antacids, and first aid supplies. Check daily supplements and vitamins. Most important, ensure you have extra prescription meds. Talk to your doctor or pharmacy now. Emergencies don't pause health needs. For morale, stash comfort foods, treats, and small luxuries. Chocolate, coffee, or a favorite drink. These little things make a big difference in tough times. Comfort and health go hand in hand. For self-defense, check your firearms. Clean, lubricate, and confirm ammo is secure and sufficient. Review non-lethal options, pepper spray, security system batteries, and reinforced doors and windows. Walk your property and address weak spots. Make your home a hard target. For your vehicle, check oil, washer fluid, tire pressure, including the spare, and wiper blades. Replace anything worn or low. A reliable vehicle is essential for evacuation or supply runs. Small fixes now prevent big problems later. That's your complete checklist for topping off your preps. These steps take you from good to great, adding polish and real resilience. Download the PDF checklist below, print copies, and keep them handy. Preparation is ongoing. Review and update regularly. Share your tips in the comments. Let's keep improving together. Thanks for watching. Stay prepared, stay safe. See you next time.